So this is going to be the last video on Surds, and in this video we are going to be looking at rationalizing the denominator. So let's look at this example. 5 divided by root 2, right? So this is going to be 5 divided by root 2 multiplying root 2 over root 2. So this is going to be equal to 5 root 2 divided by 2. So that is what we have here. So in a general form, if we have a divided by root b, so and we are to rationalize the denominator, what we are going to have here is a divided by root b multiplying root b divided by root b, which is going to be equal to what? A root b divided by b. So that is what this means. So here it's supposed to be root b here and then root b here, so that we have this, right? So that is what it means. So for this second one here, where we have 3 plus root 2 divided by root 5 plus root 3. So if we are to rationalize the denominator, so what we are going to have here is going to be root 5 minus root 3. Remember, it's going to be the conjugate. It's going to be the conjugate. So this will be 3 plus root 2 multiplying root 5 minus root 3, all divided by root 5 plus root 3 multiplying root 5 minus root 3. So if we solve this, this is 3 into root 5 minus root 3 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 3, all divided by root 5 squared minus root 3 squared. So that is what we have. So this is going to be equal to let me bring it down. This is going to be equal to 3 root 5 minus 3 root 3. This is root 2 multiplying root 5, which is root 10. Then this is minus root 6 divided by 5 minus 3. Alright, so this is going to be 3 root 5 minus 3 root 3 plus root 10 is equivalent to 5 times 2. So okay, let's just leave it at root 10. Then this is minus root 6, right, divided by 2. So that is our answer. So this is what we also have here. So let's quickly solve the self assessment for exercise 4 before we call it a wrap for indices. So you are to express this as a single function. So this is 3 divided by root 7 minus 5 divided by root 2. So first of all, let's take 3 divided by root 7 and rationalize the denominator. 7 divided by root 7. This is going to be 3 root 7 divided by 7. Then let's take the other side. 5 divided by root 2 times root 2 divided by root 2 is going to be equal to 5 root 2 divided by 2. Right, so we can now bring this together. We will now have this to be 3 root 7 divided by 7 minus 5 root 2 divided by 2. So denominator here, the LCM is 14, right? So we are going to have 14 to divide 7, that is 2 times. So 2 multiplying 3 root 7, we have 6 root 7 minus 14 to divide 2 is 7 times. 7 times 5, we have 35. So this 35 root 2. So we are told to express this as a single function, and we've expressed it as a single function. So that is the answer. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the end, this video on indices. Please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel as well, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified each time we upload a video. Thank you.